In this video, I'm going to be talking about all the ways in which you will be able to buy a Ventra card. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to make it very clear that if you would like to get the most up-to-date information, you just have to visit the Transit Chicago website or go over to ventrachicago.com. Both websites will provide you with the most up-to-date information regarding Ventra cards and passes in Chicago. So, to start, the most convenient way to buy a Ventra card is either going to be online or through a Ventra vending machine. So as you can see, you can buy new Ventra cards and disposable single-ride or one-day Ventra tickets from every Ventra vending machine. You can load transit value and use it. These Ventra vending machines are available at all CTA, L, or rail stations and at CTA's general offices at 567 West Lake Street, Chicago. VVMs are also located on these 5 sites: Chicago Union Station, Ogilvie Transportation Center, Millennium Station, Navy Pier, and the Museum of Science and Industry. So all that you have to do is locate one of these physical vending machines and you will be able to acquire a Ventra card. There are other ways to do it, like through the Ventra Chicago website. You can go to retail locations, so you can buy, load value, or purchase a pass at over 1,000 retail locations, including drugstores and currency exchanges, so look out for a Ventra sign outside of those. And if you still want additional help, the best course of action is to visit one of the CTA's general offices. You will be able to not only get the card, but also have any questions answered. So go over to any of these physical locations listed here, and you will be able to purchase your very own Ventra card. Afterwards, I recommend downloading the mobile app, where you will be able to manage the balance, add funds, purchase fares, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to buy Ventra card. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.